Hello friends, today we are going to see the review of 2.1 system which is coming from the F&D company. Its model name is F313U. It is powered by the USB power. Its total wattage is 7 watts RMS. Satellite speakers comes with the 2-inch drivers with 1.5 watts each. So the total wattage power is 3 watts. And it has a subwoofer which is coming with the driver of 3-inch size. Its watts is 4 watts. This has a connectivity of 3.5 mm jack, a USB cable for the power, and the connector for the subwoofer. Let us see the sound test for this system. Now I have powered the speaker. I am going to play NPS music. I have kept 50% volume in the speaker and 50% volume in the laptop. Let us test the sound test. Now I am going to increase the sound to 75%. Also in the Now I am going to increase the volume to full. Let us play another song. I have kept the 50% volume in the speaker and 100% volume in the laptop. Now I am increasing the volume to 100%. If you like this video, please subscribe and support my channel. Thank you once again.